Hi all. Welcome to my channel. Here we are going to discuss about the Crud operations using Python. For this we are using sqlite3 as database. Let us quickly dive into the source code of the project. The package we need to import is sqlite3. First of all we need to connect to database. For this we need to use sqlite3.connect where we need to pass database name as an argument. Here we checking whether the database has been opened or not by printing the message. Let us try to create a table. In order to execute any SQL commands we need to use execute function. Here I am creating an employee table with employee ID, employee name, age, salary as columns. And also employee ID is a primary key auto increment value. Let us go and verify whether the table has been created. Yes, we could see table has been created. Let us go and quickly insert values into the table. Make sure to give the commit, otherwise values won't store in table. Yes, we can see a message that details has been inserted. Let us try to display the details which we have been inserted into the table. After execution of this statement, a cursor will be created pointing to the result of the SQL command. We will iterate through the result and print the details like this. Let us check it in command prompt. Yes, we could see these are the details which has been inserted. Let us go and update the value of employee name and age of the employee with employee ID as 1. In con.execute method we will provide update command like this. And also make sure to commit statement. Let us go and check whether we are able to update values in table or not. Yes, we can see details has been updated. Let us try to delete first row in the table. Here we are deleting the row based on the employee ID. Yes, we can see row has been deleted and the table has been left with one row. That's all we are able to perform the CRUD operations. In addition to the CRUD operations, let us try to delete a table by using the drop command. Yes, we could see table has been deleted. Let us try to execute drop command once again. We can see an error saying table doesn't exists. That's all. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you like it. Please like, comment and share.